Okay, we're going to do a quick tutorial here on using text to mask a picture so that the picture comes through. The first thing I'm going to do is I want to make a note about something called lossless editing. I have this picture and we're going to be messing with things a bit, and I want to make sure I don't lose it. So one of the ways you do that is you keep your original, you duplicate that layer, okay? Sorry, I had to enter my thing was off screen. And then I'm going to leave this layer locked so I don't mess it up, but it's going to disappear. I can't see it. Then if I mess up this layer, I can just go back and duplicate the original again. So now we need to add a layer with some text. Shift Command N for me. This will be my text. Actually, I know what I'm going to use. So I'll go with PW. Okay. I am going to get my text tool by tapping T. Aviano Future, heavy, fast. Actually, I don't think I want fast. I think I just want heavy. I don't want any slanty to it. So, and I want this big. So I can scale it up later, but I know what I want. So I'm just going to type 750 up here in my font size, and I'm going to type PW. Okay. I'm going to get my move tool and situate this now. Why is there a V? Because I hit V to select my move tool while I was typing text. It's the one time you can't use that keyboard command to switch, because if you're typing text and you hit V, it gives you V. Shocker. Okay, so now I've got my PW text here. I'm just kind of situate it where I want it so that all that effect comes through in a cool way. Okay, I can actually also, I can adjust this too. I can make this bigger if I want, so that there is more of what I want in certain places. Okay, so yeah, maybe they're more off the thing. All right, but anyway, you can do that. No, it's actually not going to matter. So now I just need to, I'm going to go ahead and deselect that. I select the move tool and it deselects the other way to deselect. You see, hit this check mark up here. When you get that box, then why don't you do anything else? All right. So now I have my text and I have my background copy. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to come up here, I'm going to select this layer, and I'm going to click on, I'm going to hold the command key down right next to the space bar, and I'm going to click on the text tool. You see that dotted square that comes up? It's going to make it into a mask. Once I've tapped or clicked, it's made it into a mask. And then I'm going to take my background copy, my photo, and move it up above. And now you can see the picture's actually on top, but the mask, the outline of the mask below is still showing through. The only thing I have left to do is, while this is highlighted, I click the mask tool. And there you go. There is the background through the text layer mask effect.